you can see here, these multiple punctate bleeding points show that we are deep dermal, and that's where the hair follicle pedicle is, right at the bulk where the stem cells are, and it's called LGR6. Okay, so when we are doing this kind of hair restoration treatment, you want to put this combination of PlasmaLift, which is PRP with the Z-Lift, to the area where the hair follicle stem cells are, and these bleeding points show me that I'm at the right level. Otherwise I'm too superficial, and if I'm too deep, I'm in what's called the galea. The galea is a kind of an aponeurosis that allows the scalp to move. That's too deep and it's wasted. So this is a very good example of hair restoration at the right depth to put in growth factors, which are fibroblast growth factor, keratinocyte growth factor. All this is bring up new strong hair follicles to increase the density. And this is how we prepare patients for hair transplant, so that there's no point transplanting into already hair follicles. They will go in between to increase the density. Okay, so this is exactly where I want to be. So this is microneedling with stem cells, and these are the first world-powered stem cells that come from the umbilical cord. Okay, so they contain mesenchymal stem cells extracts and ectodermal stem cells extracts. So this is something that is very important because it's the first world-powered umbilical cord stem cells, and what we are doing here is to create micro trauma so that the stem cells can now have an effect on the LGR6 stem cells that line the deep part of the bulk of the hair follicles. And this is where you get a terrific result for those who have having hair loss and decreased hair density. Okay, so this is microneedling with stem cells.